Let's learn to the colors name. Red color. Red means lal color. Blue color. Blue means neela. Orange color. Orange means narangi. Pink color. Pink means gulabi. Aqua color. Aqua means aqua color. Green color. Green means hara color. Black color. Black means kala color. White color. White means safed color. Golden color. Golden means sunehra. Navy blue. Navy blue means gehra neela. Yellow color. Yellow means peela color. Silver color. Silver means chandi. Purple color. Purple means बैंगनी color. Grey color. Grey means slety color. Brown color. Brown means भूरा color. Violet color. Violet means बैंगनी color.